to Sadina.
Hey.
Akabra.
Mo, yes.
Me don't be asking me that was
you.
Yes, any deeper. Next time, my own wife.
Me patch over it.
Yeah, me chair gonna phone in a colleague until fair be a mammy. Many money in a Julie Coco.
Okay. Omuna that was.
The next over my husband, not just say.
Me patch over it.
Any Mr. Amadisi. Okay. Next over.
Next time. Hagen is a very small city but very beautiful. What Germany? Now Sister Becky of Free or Afro Island. Very nice place. Chicken be your mama ring and no other. Sister Becky Jamisha one ima and your bush phone in Chicha Muina Hagen phone now. 6 more minutes to 4. Our 106.3 FM. The patrol saw pet chance in that papa dia board dance so. Ayakai DBS roofing sheet. And on the papano and on a losing content to me AZ 150. They are called market now between AZ 30 and AZ 50. And no personal chance in our board dance so I am 20-year warranty also. Now say I create me 5% discount I enjoy. When you not trying to climb back. It's your spin test road. 2 years no do. Papa restaurant will never chance Papa before board dance. Why? With me after 0240-844-444 and after 0204-344-561. Afe wa Adom FM so na wanya no. Good afternoon.
Afternoon, Jerry. Now what to say?
Me patcho me ho ye pa now so eh.
Oh, thank you, Nami Adom. This is my second time by Irrigated Sports. You. Me. Yamunina. Aqua so.
Yeah, na your friend say.
Yes, sir, my coach. Me first from Brooklyn, New York.
Okay. You want aqua ban patcho in the area there amount.
Oh, Adom ni mo bro. No wa share in studio be drew November 7th and na Adom. Oh, why yen afia ye be rem. Mama yenya ye na nkame ye ni ye na nkame ni me. The Adom FM ni na share Nyankopon sa me tie mo all year round.
Nice.
Irrigated Sports, my favorite. Mama mystery ama me ho Tommy.
Wow.
Na me nhyira.
Amen.
Kwame oba, you also ya okasa ya on no susu ham.
Make action. Yeah, that's a
me tell me ask you now no pay. On me not of you am brabo, so me ponya me mpa say me to na betna asi. Me tia busuafo nyina.
You.
Me the sister bia new kunu so extreme e hye nyame so we kuma sister Olivia Lazab Hotel. Amen.
Amen. Yeah, that's it. Did Moses? Okay. Offer with me dawase. We some announce. Eva. Medawase da. Hey. Medawase da. Medawase da. Yeah, fast than be so much Pharma Trust Limited. On my Healthy Link hair, nails and skin. I'm a complete woman. We won't need to bubu net to say mefino. We have about 2 in a jab bubu. No fly tin so chief fefe come on. O fingernails to be funa holding a bem. Now skin swat or swipe fefe such. I feel Healthy Link, healthy woman. When a boost to fertility. Tibema near Juma no mre, Cecilia now about what for your funu. On our saying. A sign improve your blood flow. A lower chances of getting any heart related problem. A mount check a boost to your immune system, no so power. Your Healthy Link menopause tablet or a mom when you do penny fish when you twa brano. A drew in the warm said the bayana how near Tete I almost from a brom would do Sabri Muno. Nina so a bit to me a free or a mom when you are soon. You share quite what pharmacy shops out doing in them or my fan baby. I do do pano. Farmer Trust, pharmacists in them, no, or quite do be on here beyond one side Ebeka. You're from Sandra or UK. That's to say, good afternoon to you. And a guaranteed trust banks, I mean, control. Say, I bet for coins from quite fast, so and they banking transactions, and it's also to me the Hobeshimu be a star 737 hash service papa. We are here so called banking hall to be transacted business with the bank. So show fee or office or to come baby I will be what you now to so crown out to be sure baby cranny at the ultimate bank near business, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we are no answer about star 737 hash no follow prompt on the upper so you be out to be account for on your phone. Put me link your account no with your mobile money wallet for easy transfers. With me transfers got the fee account back come the another one money at the end now. Oh how banking or work there. It's chat to me. Star 737 hash on any network or them any of our branches brand new still now also be a part of this success story. Simple banking for every Ghanaian, convenient banking papa, guaranteed trust bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? It is 9 minutes to 4. Our 106.3 FM Gusutie Ofie Kwanso on Adom 106.3 FM with me, Jerry. Yanko Spain. Namifa Aya and Chiasun Kuma Aya DJ Benji. DJ Benji 116. Yako ya champion ati. And a champion footballer bako. Your friend Patrick Chumesi. Man, shouts going out to you at it. Spring phone name church amuna. The patrol transition. Set main fan to anymore. Set we are similar way there. Owo a canipa. Yeah, there, dakro there, beba. And now Roberto Becca say, you grow, you die old. It's Ed there, dakro, ni said there, Obekra, no wako. Now say, Odisha be tough from Sana. Number one, yeah, so I should ni beam for the rest of your life. Was I see so? No, for a canna san which you grana de koye yin grani asem. As I penise when you to a tonsem. And until you say a year on do so say, Jamumain. Yan beshan ya crack bibia, fine. A year for fair. And near your policies, packages I will be now on one. And now plans and arrangements been why I put the home by Shimbia. A bet me up wow ye. As all this year be free one or tough from one. Yet me should know what she. I saw us name wedging a ye. Na ye on it me across wife for fashion on you yam. Na atia bushwen and swing for fair come apart. To be near. No, I say it's quite hard to. Atomic Road no so na your premises who will out him say yes we mean business. Hope for ye, papa. Now we a funeral hair square day a mutumwa over there. Transition. The funeral people and a member of the enterprise group. They almost was say some so as name the offend can you radia breo. The adru so ya babeti asem adi tu hon for na wie yi. E wo fie kwadwuma di so Adom 106.3 FM. We Nicholas Omane a champion. We nso ma na so. Ya ba bra na bezani benya no futuro yimu. E dia ba bra na odi be veji wa asasi so a. Otan be be awon ya ni 19 twetwe. Aboro ni be yenti. Oni ba kum ni nua won hwe o. Ani bra dudu nyina ji no, ibaja pade ya ba ko pe. Iba faso ya ba ko pe. Nipa japadi ya ba ko pe ere die nipa benya ba ko pe nipa
so ye ba ko pe nipa japade ye ba ko pe di nipa benya ba ko pe ya la frafo awo ye tu batani nyankonto ya basana ko emiri ye nipa dia ni nipa ji wasasi suono ye jamu ko emiri ye nipa dia ni nipa ji wasasi suono enam kwansu ba o Solomon yasane na wunya die nyine mbo oja okoda adakemu oyini David akunde ni na yini yenyinemu ono so koda adakemu
yeah first was that Emma Duraloop UCL fuel addictive and our future life health drink Feco spray starch global access savings and loans and serene insurance you mo kuya darmenti ye ba be hwa asem a ye di tu yon fo na awia yi the daughters of glorious Jesus Cynthia Monica Edna my film bruta mejidi yesemu nyina mo hoye pa anyway ene asem edi tu ye hofo e wo Ofie Kwanso dwumedie eso asem no brofo kasa mo say don't allow the pressures of the world to put you down. Whatever is going to happen will happen, whether you worry or not. Now, the reason why Assembly Council is say, if you listen to the stories of other people, you will wonder if yours is worth worrying about. Worry shouldn't control or direct your daily life. Instead, trust in the Lord and be positive with all your heart, and there will be no more room for worry. Nina ne say onipa asasi so awa bay eden niema binum beba wakwam uye nipa nko ade. There will be certain things that beba wakwam to worry about. But sa niema na ma enhye so na ema sa niema no en mo enhwe na ema wo entenhwe. Esan say ekwan bia so ade ebebo akwam no woye den a ebebo akwam se sa ade no odwen hu se ebedane koda na beda wo so ebeye den be opa adwen ho saa for 1 week and now 1 month and now for 1 year. If that thing is supposed to happen, it will happen. So bottom line is why worry yourself so much? Na fe ebenya so tumi na esel odwendwen bebre so essay unipadua na fi obehu ana wasi say ye kwan so just because you are thinking too much, you are worrying so much about enema HCC ewo wakwan mu. Asem no koso kire yen say yetie afofo binum so ana afofo binum so omo haw ne omo atete ana omo amane bi omo namu a wankasa na de osu se sa de no ade a etete wa akofa adwendwen abegya oso no obesan adwehu mienu akasa na we de me de se we de enye bibi esenka medwen ho kura o enu nti memma kwan emma adwendwen entetew emma adwendwen emfa no mum na emma adwendwen no enu mum emma me direct o daily life anaso dada brabo na wo no me dane adwendwen sa nyemum de ese wo ye ne se nyagidie ewo awurade mu na bibia mu mpo wa bra wo ho akire wa anaso wote bia emu odin mu mpo no nyagidie bi se ebetimi ayeyi ne fasa gidie no etu anamon na woyɛ saa enya de a ebema kwan ama adwendwen bebre ahye so na asɛw adwendwen ekum nipa adwendwen ɛsɛ nipa odwendwen sɛ den na sɛ ade bi besi a ɛden a saa ade no ebesi enya wadwendwen bebre be na obedwendwen ho na no ene be prevent that thing from happening. and obi kan no or say what will be so why worry so much timpacho ene memma the pressures of this world emma meteteo na ense wa brabo to bigu said you obi kan asem no na ekokọ w'anim. Be positive minded all the time and put your trust in the Lord. Na kwan bia so no ebeyeye. Ye de nyame ase so de asem we ema ye yemfe so aseda ema Duralube UCL fuel addictive. E patcho ma catch you say enche bia ye be ma wakwanya na saa enkrato a mede ma saa briye yi no mabisabisa ensemfu akakra bia fa wotimi yi anu yi a wo akyede a obeje ede afi Duralube fo yi enchen na patcho ti Duralube UCL fuel addictive yi no ya ye no wo kwan sonko so say o ka no rane na fuel no ya asan wo kọ eye fuel station na wakọ akoto fuel no na wabie so na o de agu fuel tank no mu uwia na wama fuel attendant no wabu fuel no de agu so de amount eno ano no afehwe wonde se ebe ye wo ka no mu won se to da bi ado ka na mo ana ese to opu wisi eto da ado ka na mo ese mpulu wonam highway so person ka udija ka tia so ka di so na ba bi ejina na ejina etimi nkona nim edu ba bi ana aka na jeke wo kwa na etwetwe ni mu na pupu no to da bi hawa aba ho wo de be ko shop yi yes we ya se koto we jise ko ewe wo be wi na ekase tuturo efie jadum but so the Duralube UCL fuel addictive bi egu o car no fuel tank no na fe obo fuel no gusu wi a wo de car ne nam no na hya se ye car no adwuma no ada ne fitani enti one who save time on fa car no kosi fitting shop ene no so a onko boka nkototo ne ma bi ansa nkotua work machine ba mechanic wo de car ne nam na no a clean na a lubricative fuel injectors no at the same time no na fuel pump and the connectors near the idea so no engine de na a prevent rust to know engine mu car system ni nan aye neat clean fine na essential e boa e restore performance any fuel efficiency enti fuel kakra bi ade begu ka mu no etimi de ukọ kwantintin bebre e bodwuma yie e ma car no run smooth kama say a petrol engine and as a diesel engine it way you can for the mobia a simple and titia a DNA Duralube UCL fuel addictive baby obenye biato a very simple Excel oil filling station bia wo Ghana ha bia no okwa obenya Duralube UCL fuel addictive ye kan wa se maybe ato opedo pa dia General American Auto Parts ewo tema community 9 ubi so bi obekere utwa moto wewie ya wo yese wura community 9 light industry area hono ehwa na ewa ubetimi afre 055 648 6379 afi 020 299 6662 na woni ye dinkita ho na so sabe ka Duralube UCL fuel addictive yibi now the good kan mu na chese bibia akoye e di amount afi Future Life Smart Food almost de aba said the beya yempom de won sembe wie yie kama pa Future Life a natural food supplement ya chemical sembia so kra no anymore na we no eboa e ma ese wo no enye se wo hwe da faduro but we hunu na esa ho yadewa hodo bibi te se high blood pressure na say low blood pressure na say diabetes heart problems insomnia obi okoda wotimi na say nani twa so ani namness obi wa ni paduan ba bi wo de pane wo okra wonte ana won watini ho wonte Parkinson diseases nya de ni na no etu ase hwe ye kase ye kan de bechi over 172 diseases abra guso a wonom yes, a healthy life for almost smart food you drink you not a sasa ya de no secretly when you bounce not a tuning nase not why you free here check kwai wo cast estate building mu yene Ghana Technology University and it didn't more tesano high your branches all over Accra Kumasi Tema Kofredia Cape Coast and a free takrade but your audio bomodian so befre 055 994 7452 and now 0242 878 090 net chain baby awo yes you bet your baby awo binya bi na bibia so akoye e di amount afi fecal spray starch we and now the two atade now nam sa obi ehun sampa wo nim de ekọ wani abie say atade na nya say be fresh be and rather na akotọ atade na che wa twini be 2 years ba wo de fa kono gu ani sa na oto sa na mama material na ni asan da na aye brand new, you know what I'm saying? Two nam sa na obi ehun say onim de ekọ na say ja nice fragrance wa atade ni mu look sha bema no issue fecal spray stash na fato ade e ma ironing very very easy na san ye decra or kwanson kokra eso available at shops and stores and supermarkets out do ni na mu na we product quality one pa ye fi Samara Company Limited. Global Access Savings and Loans adwumakuyi ejane na so Ghana ha omo asom ye papa you can't Global Access Savings and Loans a specialized deposit taking institution need Bank of Ghana for among 2 mikrata say omofa enye sa adwuma no into deposit mobilization lending and other banking services ni nyina no omo as savings and loans kama pa omo the main passion and say betimi partner with individuals of small and medium sized enterprises which SMEs no betimi grow omo businesses wa bra omo enam say omo provide high yielding savings products dia momo of timely loans and other banking services tailor made and timi boa ma moso mutimi take advantage of tomorrow's opportunities to be ania now on the Global Access Savings and Loans at Dinkitown yen any the pioneers a bano money transfer business wo Ghana hadia who say for baby and ye ntiane brand be savings account and as a current account yen chain any of our 18 network branches no say yen cry and now say Kumasi Tema and now Aguna Swedru yen gitown 050 00 22290 afi 0302 734 580 and now 0302 734 581. Global Access, your partner, your choice. Finally, first day your Serene Insurance. A patrol way and the new face of insurance. Be a now only insurance company be a delay paying some time ago. Said the name call and uncle ye. A brand omoji claims near the other your friends saying omoji premium tutor near and the near omojia. But as some two as a net Johnson so quadru claims near the na I am mansion. And they Serene Insurance our back. Need the muda fine. And the trust yensim kunyani and checho yemye be near manison chow. And you'll be a better trust a quatron who bush in Ambrana insurance when change. You be Adom. Motor insurance, marine insurance, aviation, general accident insurance. Just say policies baby. Nina ya run ho. Juba Serene Insurance and Abus and Pat. Your insurance, your insurance. To their friend, na your monchi mu 0302 917 444 and our phase 0302 917 446. Sounds my bit me our phrase 050 133 7119 and our 050 133 7120. Your website www.sereneinsurance.com. Now your head office a first floor of First Sky Tower. What tema Community 25 Junction wa after Kumbaria and a fin so La Paz N1 highway no so any ADB in Shenimu. Your offices there bibri tibabi abehu who be out there bra na your business. Serene Insurance, the new face of insurance. Also tier 106.3 FM. Ghana's #1 radio station.
Jim FM.
Hello, it's Say.